This little 97 Subaru Legacy has a broken hatch. I can't actually get in there, so let's get it fixed. So you're going to have to crawl through the back. You're going to have to drop the seat down. If you don't know how to do that, it's just this pin here. We'll go ahead and drop that down. We're going to crawl in. Come along with me, YouTube. And pull this out like that. And now, I believe this is what is broken. Yes. So, you see what I just did? Push on it, and then kick it. We can now work on actually fixing it. So, looking at it, I believe these two bolts, here are what are holding on the handle. Let's go ahead and take those off. Those look to be 10 mil. So, we'll just go ahead and get a wrench on there. It's always fun watching this through the camera. We'll go ahead and take this off. With those bolts loose, this is actually pretty crusty. I might try and replace this whole mechanism. It's out. So my handle is actually pretty beat up here. So I'm going to use pliers and just pry it off. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. And then focus. There we go. Hopefully yours hasn't got to this point, but if it has, it's not a big deal to just pry it off like that. So here is the rotted broken handle that we took off. And here is the new replacement piece. There's the code if you have it. I'll link it in the description too. Let's go ahead and replace it. To make our lives a little easier, I'm going to go ahead and pop that out. Then I'm going to stick the arm through, line up the bolt holes. Like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and pre-thread, just so it doesn't want to walk away on me. I'm actually surprised how good these bolts are, considering the shape of everything else. And then we'll go ahead and do the same over here. We want to make sure this lines up before we put the bushing on, and it does appear to, so I'm going to go ahead and put the bushing on now. And with the bushing in, this should just push into place. With it lined up, I'm going to go ahead and pinch it the rest of the way in with these pliers. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the two 10mm bolts back down. Okay, now before I close this back up, I'm going to confirm operation. Ta-da! And we now have a working trunk. Let's go ahead and close these tabs back up. To do that, you'll just want to make sure these red pins are going in the holes up here. And there you go. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.